guys, another day working on the Mini. My Amazon order came, my heat gun and a scraper. I had a few other little bits and bobs. Got some little wheels for my welding trolley when I make one, and a couple of magnets as well. So yeah, getting a bit more ready for welding now. Just got to order some steel, which I'm hopefully going to get done today, and yeah, we'll be really able to get cracking. But for now, we'll start scraping off some of the underseal. Okay, so we've just spent a little while, not sure how long, not really checking on the time much, but been cleaning up the underseal on this floor, as you can see, heat gun and scraper, and for the most part the floor is in really good condition. The places where it isn't so good is basically around all of these, but I mean, it's quite light rust, which I think is probably, repairable. Even along this back edge, not too bad. What I've got off so far. This corner here, it's, you can see surface rust, but it's okay. But the most part of it is really, really good. And it's all on the original paint underneath, and around a couple of the drain plugs as well. There's a little bit of surface, but yeah, I've knocked out all the drain plugs now that was left in it, because a few of them have been welded up. And yeah, the metal ones are from the factory aren't that great. We'll be putting rubber bungs in when it goes back together, so, or we might weld some of them up, because I don't see the need for having quite as many drain holes as there are. But yeah, I mean, this corner of the floor is obviously shot. I'm not going to bother touching any of that with a scraper, because we know that's just going to have to go. Even this bit here is all quite good, apart from up to there. So I'm really surprised actually how good this floor is in places. So obviously under the oversills is going to be knackered, so I'm hoping that we can make something up for that, rather than buy, well, yeah, we'd have to buy a whole new floor. I don't know if you can actually get the panels, like a repair panel for the floor just for this edge where the oversills are. So we'll have to see about that. The underseal on this piece here, on this section of the floor, because I've seen like these flutes in the floor. On this section, it's really, I know it's really like tarry and it won't come off very well. But on over this side, it's all like this yellowy stuff. It's like really waxy. So I think like the first layer of underseal on this has been, well, it's been some sort of like a waxy thing, which I think has probably helped quite a lot. It's quite hard to get off, but it's clearly protected the floor well. So got a whole the boot floor and all the other side to do yet. So yeah, we'll carry on for a bit longer. So. Only about 6 o'clock. I don't want to be leaving here as late as I did yesterday when we were working on the pink Mini, but yeah, we'll see what we can get done. Okay, so we have this bit. I said done, it's not done, because there's all this lot to get off. But I mean, I've got the bulk of it all off, and we can sort of see what's going on now. And we've done some of the boot floor as well. Well, this bit is under the rear seat here, and obviously that's the wheel well in the boot floor. So yeah, on the whole, not too bad. There's a bit of rust line all the way along here where somebody welded in that patch in the boot floor, because the weld obviously burnt the paint off the outside. And along here there's a few little bits and patches, but overall it's really not that bad. Obviously I'm going to have to do the rear half of the boot floor anyway properly, because it has been cut along there. And it is a bit rusty along here, so if we can cut it out, you know, like along just this side of that would be fantastic. Get all that out. Obviously it needs a new battery box. I've told you about this before, where the garage just cut a square and made their own bottom for the box, and it's rotting again already. As you can see, it's an absolute state. Looks horrible. Just get a new battery box, drill out the spot welds inside and slot a new one in. That'll be the easiest way. Got a few nice patches going on. Where were they? We've got a little square here on the heel board. You really can't see that because of the shadow of the light. We've got another one that wraps around from the wheel arch up to here, which is just held on with that. We've got another square there. But yeah, I mean, on the whole, it's really not too bad. We can easily repair this and not do a full floor. Oh, and there's an equal patch like there was down there, up there, just the same. Oh, take my speaker home and charge that. I push there. Definitely remember to do that. So yeah, it's not looking, I say, too bad. Could be better, but it definitely could be worse. I don't really fancy changing an entire boot floor, so yeah, we'll probably get away with not doing so. The floor here has had a patch over where the drain plug hole is, which is kind of to be expected, because I did it on the yellow car only a few months ago, actually, in one of the corners. So yeah, this is all I'm doing for today now. I know I've not been here that long, probably been here for 5 hours or so, but yeah, I didn't come till late, because I was up late last night, because last night we were here till 1:30 messing around with Samantha's pink Mini, because it still wasn't liking the rain after we changed the wiring loom, and long story short, the electronic ignition module was breaking down, so we stuck the Dizzy on off my engine, off the spare engine down here at the project. So I've now just stuffed a bit of paper in that hole so I don't get crap in the inside the crankcase. So yeah, we're going to leave it here for today. I might see about coming back tomorrow. Don't think I've got anything else to do. I've phoned up the metal people as well. They're literally 8 miles down the road from where we are now, and they want 25 quid for delivery. So that's definitely a no-no. They said they would cut up the box section pieces for me into half the size, so that'd make them just a bit over 3 meters. So I need to try and find someone with a van who will come and collect them with me sometime soon. So yeah, I've not actually ordered it. I assume they'll keep it in, but I'll give them a ring before we arrange to go again anyway, and make sure they do keep in what I want. So yeah, there we go. Hopefully you enjoyed this one. Check out the Facebook page, facebook.com/MiniMadness91, I think. And yeah, have a look on my channel, at the featured channels as well. Some other great YouTubers out there to watch when you finish watching mine. Okay, so yeah, see you next time, guys. Bye for now.